Let us have example 2. Find the roots of the equation 2x plus 3 times x plus 1 equals 10. This is the given equation. This is not written in standard form. In solving this equation, we will use the FOIL method. Gagamitin natin ang first, outer, inner, and last. For the first terms, we will multiply 2x and x. The product is 2x squared. For the outer terms, multiply natin ang 2x and 1. The product is 2x. And for the inner terms, 3 and x, ang product ay 3x. And for the last terms, ang product ng 3 and 1 is positive 3. Let's copy equals 10. And then, we will combine similar terms. So, 2x and 3x are similar terms. Let's copy 2x squared. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. And then, we copy plus 3 equals 10. Okay, this is not yet in standard form because we have 10 here. Dapat ay 0 ang nasa right side ng equation. We will transpose 10 or ililipat natin si 10, kunin natin ang kanyang opposite, from positive magiging negative 10 siya. Okay, so we have 2x squared 5 plus 5x plus 3. Okay, transpose 10, meron na tayong negative 10 equals 0. Then we simplify. 2x squared plus 5x, we copy that, and then 3 minus 10 is equal to negative 7 equals 0. This is now written in standard form. We can now solve the equation. Let's solve the equation by factoring. This is the standard form of the given equation. Okay, let's factor 2x squared plus 5x minus 7. The factors are 2x plus 7 and x minus 1. Ifa-factor muna natin si 2x squared. The factors are 2x and x. And then, kunin natin yung factors ng negative 7. Okay, the possible factor 7 and negative 1. Okay, so let's check if makukuha natin yung 5x, kunin natin yung product ng outer terms. Ang outer terms natin ay 2x and negative 1. That is negative 2x. And then kunin natin yung product ng inner terms. 7 and x, ang product ay 7x. Pag kinuha natin yung sum ng product ng outer terms at product ng inner terms, dapat ang lalabas ay yung nasa middle term, which is 5x dito. Okay, so negative 2x plus 7x is equal to 5x. Therefore, our factors are correct. Let's now equate to 0. The first factor is 2x plus 7 equate to 0. Okay, let's solve for x. Dapat si positive 7 na nasa right side. So, lipat natin, magiging 2x equals negative 7. From positive 7, naging negative 7. Okay, we have 2 here. So, we will divide both sides by 2. We have 2x over 2 equals negative 7 over 2. Simplify. Okay, 2x over 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is x. So, x na lang. And then, equals negative 7 over 2. This is the first root or solution. The second factor is x minus 1. We will equate it to 0. And then solve for x. Okay, from negative 1, transpose, it will be positive 1. So, the second factor is x equals 1. Tingnan natin kung tama yung mga nakuha natin, roots or solution. Let's do the checking. The first root is negative 7 over 2. Substitute to the original equation. Palaging sa original equation magsasubstitute. We have 2 times ang x is negative 7 over 2. So, we have negative 7 over 2 plus 3. Okay, times x is negative 7 over 2 plus 1 equals 10. Next, we simplify 2 times negative 7 over 2. So, makakancel si 2. May iwan si negative 7 plus 3. Paano nangyari to? Okay, so copy negative 7 and then we multiply 2 and 1. So 2 times 1 is positive 2 over the denominator is 2 equals 10. Simplify. Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. Negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5 over 2 equals 10. Next, okay, negative 4 multiplied to negative 5, we have positive 20 over 2 equals 10. 20 over 2 is positive 10. It is equal to 10. Therefore, that is true. The next solution is 1. Substitute to the original equation. We now have 2 times x is 1 plus 3 times, okay, x is 1 again plus 1 equals 10. Simplify, 2 times 1, we have 2 plus 3. And then 1 plus 1 equals 10. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2 equals 10. 5 times 2 equals 10. That is also equal to 10. So, that is true. Okay, so, they satisfy the solution. Therefore, the roots or solutions of the equation 2x plus 3 times x plus 1 equals 10 are negative 7 over 2 or 1. Let's have example 3. Find the roots of the equation 3x plus 1 times x minus 2 minus 4 equals 0. The given equation is a quadratic equation but not written in standard form. To find the roots or solution of this equation, i-apply natin ang FOIL method. Okay, so 3x plus 1 and x minus 2. The first terms are 3x and x. So, we will multiply the first terms. It is equal to 3x squared. Ang outer terms natin ay 3x and negative 2. Okay? The product is negative 2x. Ang inner terms natin ay 1 and x. Okay? The product is positive x. 1 times x equals x. And then, ang last terms natin ay 1 and negative 2. We will multiply 1 and negative 2. 1 times negative 2 equals negative 2. And then, we copy negative 4 equals 0. Okay, so, meron ulit tayong similar terms. Iko-combine natin si negative 6x plus x. Okay, let's copy first 3x squared and then we add negative 6x and x. It is equal to negative 5x. Okay, and then negative 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 6 equals 0. Okay, so naka-standard form na yung ating given equation. This is the standard form. To find the roots, we will use any method of solving quadratic equations. We will use the method of solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. This is the standard form of the given equation. Since naka-standard form na siya, pwede na natin kunin ang values ng A, B, and C. Ang A natin is 3, B is negative 5, and C is negative 6. Substitute to the formula. This is the quadratic formula. Okay. Our B is negative 5. So, we have negative times negative B. Okay. B square. So, negative 5 is our B square. minus 4. Okay, fixed value na yan. Times A, our A is 3, so times 3. And then times C, our C is negative 6, so times negative 6. All over 2A. So, 2 times A is 3. Okay. And then, simplify. Okay, next is to simplify. So, negative times negative 5 equals 5. Plus minus, square ng negative 5 is 25. And then, we multiply negative 4. We multiply to 3 and negative 6. So, we have 72. Negative times negative is positive. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. Simplify. 5 plus minus 25 plus 72 is 97 all over 6. Okay, let's separate the positive and negative result. The first one is x equals 5 plus square root of 97 all over 6. And the next one is 5 minus square root of 97 all over 6. Ayan. So, let's check if our solutions or roots are correct. Let's do the checking. The first root is 5 plus square root of 97 all over 6. Substitute to the original equation. Ayan, original equation yan. And then, we now have 3 times our x is this. And then, plus 1. Times x again. So, this is our x. Minus 2 minus 4 equals 0. Unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay. So, we now have 3. Mumultiply natin dito. Okay. So, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times square root of 97 is 3 square root of 97. And then we copy the denominator all over 6 plus 1. Next, okay, sa side naman na to, okay, so we copy 5 plus square root of 97. And then, paano nakuha si negative 12? Minultiply natin siya, 6 and negative 2. Okay, negative 12. We copy the denominator all over 6. We have minus 4 equals 0. Okay, ganun din yung gagawin natin dito sa right side. Copy 15 plus 3 square root of 97. And then, multiply natin si 6 at 1. Okay, 6 times 1 is 6. Copy all over 6. Okay, so kinopya lang natin yung nandito sa right side. Okay, para parehas. Simplify. Okay, 15 plus 6 is 21. Okay, so then plus 3 square root of 97 all over 6. Dito sa kabila, 5 plus negative 12 is negative 7. Okay, so plus square root of 97 all over 6 minus 4 equals 0. And then, we multiply. So, meron tayong binomial sa denominator. Okay, i-apply natin yung FOIL method. First, 21 times negative 7 is negative 147. Outer, 21 times square root of 97. 21 square root of 97. Inner, 3 square root of 97 times negative 7, we have negative 21 square root of 97. Last, 3 square root of 97 times square root of 97 is 291. Paano nangyari yon? So, square root of 97 times square root of 97 is 97. Mumultiply natin sa 3. Okay, the product is 291. All over 6 times 6 is 36. Minus 4 equals 0. Okay, simplify. Ayan. So, si 91 square root of 97 minus square root of 97 equals sa 0. So, cancel. Okay, ang naiwan na lang si negative 147 plus 291 equal siya sa 144. Over 36 minus 4 equals 0. Okay, 144 over 36 is 4 minus 4 equals 0. 4 minus 4 is 0 equals 0. That is true. The next factor is, okay, ang next solution natin ay 5 minus square root of 97 all over 6. Substitute to the original equation. Okay, so ganun din yung gagawin natin sa una. Okay, so minus na yung ating operation dito sa 5 minus square root of 97 over 6. Okay, so ganun din. Okay, so 3 times 5, 15. 3 times negative square root of 97. Okay, all over 6 plus 1. Okay, dito kinapi natin. And then multiply 6 times negative 2. 6 times negative 12. Minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so dito din ay kinapi natin. And then multiply 6 times 1. 6 all over 6. Kinapi natin yung nandito sa right side. Minus 4 equals 0. And then simplify, 15 plus 6 is 21 minus 3 square root of 97 all over 6. 5 minus 12 is negative 7 minus square root of 97 all over 6 minus 4 equals 0. Okay, product FOIL method. Okay, 21 times negative 7 is negative 147. Outer, 21 times negative square root of 97 is negative 21 square root of 97. Inner, negative 3 square root of 97 times negative 7 is positive 21 square root of 97. And last terms, negative 3 square root of 97 times negative square root of 97 is positive. Okay, so ganun din. Square root of 97 times square root of 97 is 97. I-multiply natin sa 3, kaya nakuha natin 291. All over, 6 times 6 is 36. Minus 4 equals 0. Simplify. Okay, so negative 147 plus 291 is 144. Okay, si negative 21 over 97 and 21 over 97 is 0, cancelled out. So, all over 6 minus 4 equals 0. 144 over 36 is 4 minus 4 equals 0. 4 minus 4 is 0 equals 0. Okay, so our solution satisfy the equation. Okay, they are true. Therefore, the two solutions or roots of the equation 3x plus 1 times x minus 2 minus 4 equals 0 are 5 plus square root of 97 all over 6 or 5 minus square root of 97 all over 6. Ayan. So, medyo mahaba-haba lang ang solution kasi yung ating roots or solutions are irrational. Meron tayong square root of 97 dito. Okay. Pagalang mag-solve. And now that you learned how to solve quadratic equations not written in standard form, I want you to take this challenge. Transform the following equations to quadratic equations, then find their corresponding roots. For number 1, 2x times x minus 3 equals 9. For number 2, x minus 5 times 3x plus 2 equals 10. For number 3, 2x plus 3 times x minus 1 minus 7 equals 0. Okay, good luck in taking the challenge. Before I end this video, I would like to share a simple quotation. There is no failure except in no longer trying. So don't give up, just try and try until you succeed. Thank you so much. Keep safe and have a great day. Thank you for watching. Happy to learn. This is Teacher Cherry.